Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to get Google Chat on your iPhone. If you haven't had any Google Chat before, please go into the App Store because this is the place where you can get any application for your phone. So after you are in a App Store, you please check in this bottom line here and go into the search. And now you can type what you want to search in the site. Let's find out Google Chat. Okay, and after you finish typing, just click search. And now you will be generated into several options or several applications. Make sure you are choosing the right application. So Google Chat is here with the symbol. So if you never have or never install Google Chat, you will have a get information here. Here will be written a get like this one, but here I already have mine on my phone, so the information is not get anymore, but it's changed into open. So means that if you click it, you will be generated into the applications directly. And that's all the way, guys. So if you want to download or get the Google Chat, just go into the App Store and just click get button here and just follow every instruction that given by App Store to you. And that's all the way how you get Google Chat. If you find out this video is really useful for you, don't ever forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel.